At part E. Part E says, what can you say about the sets A and B if we know that A union B is equal to A? So, if A union B is equal to A, there's one of the things which says that A union an empty set is just A. That's one thing. When you unite A with an empty set, you just get A again. But there's something else I want to tell you is that if B is a subset of A, then it means that everything in B is also in A, right? If B is a subset of A, it means everything in B is also in A. So then that means when you unite A and B, you still get A because everything in B is also in A. So we can also say that, so in here we can say that B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A because we know that if B is a subset of A, then when we unite them, we will still get A. And that is why we can also say B is an empty set. B is an empty. This is one of the answers, but that's not the only answer. The reason why we don't just put it is, you know that an empty set is a subset of everything, right? Because we know that an empty set is a subset of A. So if B is an empty set, it still meets this. So we just say that it means that B is a subset of A. That is why when you combine them, you still get A. Okay, because everything in B is also in A. Like if we had A being 1, 2, 3, and 4, and if we had B being equal to 2 and 4, if we now say what is A union B, it will be still 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because we'll see 1 is in A, 2 is in both, we still put it, 3 is in A, we put it, 4 is in both, we put it, we'll still get A union B is this, which is just A. So because B in this case, B was a subset of A. Because everything in B, this 2 and 4 was also in A. So that's what it means. Now we go to the second part. Part II, it says A minus B is equal to A. Well, if A minus B is equal to A, that means A and B are disjointed. They have nothing in common, such that when you remove B from A, you still get A. So it means that A intersection B is equal to nothing, an empty set. Because if you remove B from A, you still get A. So B has nothing which is also in A. That is what it means. And this would be what it is, and you'd be done.